Namaste, I am Pratik and I am super excited to continue this amazing journey of learning Marathi with you. So far, we have explored Marathi alphabets means Molakshara, vowels means Swar, consonants means Vyanjan, Barakhadi, and how vowels transform consonants. I hope you have been practicing because today we are going to unlock another powerful concept, something that will take your reading and writing skills to the next level. Yes, today we are talking about vowel signs or vowel symbols. Now, you might be wondering why we are learning this now. Why didn't I teach you this before Barakhadi? Well, here is the reason. To avoid confusion. Remember, no complicated words, no confusion, just simple and fun learning. Now, that we have already learned Barakhadi, it will be much easier to understand what vowel signs are and how they work. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick introduction of vowel signs. The Devanagari script is used to write Marathi language. In Marathi, when vowels are used separately, they stand on their own, but when they join consonant, they take a different written form. These attached form of vowels are called vowel signs, and they include kana, matra, velanti, ukar, and many more. When consonant is combined with the vowel, it forms a new sound. This transformation is what we call barakadi. That's why Barakhadi is simply collection of consonants modified by vowel signs. Now let's look at how vowel signs play a role in Marathi writing. In Marathi, we already know what are vowels. A, u, e, aha are traditionally considered as core vowels. But here is something interesting. When we pronounce these vowels within a word, we don't write them separately. Instead, we attach their signs to consonants which they are modifying. These attached forms are called vowel signs. In Marathi, Swar Sanket or Swara Chinna. These vowel signs have specific names in Marathi, which we are going to learn today. But wait, there is more. In addition to these 12 vowel signs, there are few more unique ones. For example, Ru is also considered as a vowel and it have its own vowel symbols, just like this. According to Government of India's official rules, in 2009, two additional vowels A and O have now been added in Barakhadi. Oh, here is the fun fact. There are 12 primary vowels in Barakhadi, which is why it is called Barakhadi, literally meaning 12 letters series. But including A and O, it becomes Saudakadi, meaning 14 letter series. And when we add Ru, it becomes 15 letter series, which means Pandrakadi. Interesting, right? Think of it like this. Imagine vowels as a flavors that mix into words, changing their taste. Just like adding spices to foods makes it delicious. Adding vowel signs to consonants changes their sound and giving us new words and meanings. So now, let's move forward and start exploring vowel signs one by one. Stay tuned, keep practicing, and let's learn Marathi together.
So let's start. Swara Chinna. Swara Chinne is also called as Swaransh Chinne. In English meaning vowel signs or vowel symbols. Okay. So you can see the three columns that I have made. The first column is for vowel means swar. Vowel signs or vowel symbol means Swaransh Chinna or Swaranshache Chinna or Swara Chinna. And third column is for Swaransh Chinnache now. Swaransh Chinna, if you are getting it difficult, you can call it as a Swara Chinnache now, or in English, name of that symbol. Okay, yeah. So let's start. Yeah. So the first one is A. So as we all know, the original form of consonants comes with the vowel A. Therefore, the form of the consonant does not change for this vowel. Okay, so I have already written this definition in third column. So what was it? The original form of the consonants come with the vowel A. So A is already in the consonant, so we don't have any different symbol for it. Okay, the next one is A. So the symbol for A is look like this. So if you are seeing this blank space with a dotted circle, yeah, so this is a blank space where we are putting consonant. Okay, so if we put k in this space, it becomes ka. If we put k in this space, it becomes ki. Okay, so we are going to know their names. Though second one is a. The symbol for a is just like a standing line. Okay, and what we call that? We called kana. Okay, so only standing line is what we call kana. Okay, kana is for a. Okay, then e. This is short sound. Remember from the first lesson, this is the short sound e. For the short sound, the symbol will look like this. And what we call this symbol is pahili velanti or hraswa ikar. What we call pahili velanti or hraswa ikar. Pahili velanti or hraswa ikar. Then long sound, which is e. Okay, the symbol is standing line and the curve on top of it. So this is दूसरी वेलांटी or दीर्घ इकार. Okay, so the difference between short and long e. So this standing line and curve on the top will come before consonant, and the for the long e, long sound, it will come after the consonant. Okay, so as you can see the blank space and the standing line. Standing line is before the consonant. The blank space is for consonant, right? And here is the blank space and standing line is after the consonant. Okay, then oo. This is short sound. For oo, the symbol will look like this. You just have to memorize this symbol. There is no need to go in deep because we are not doing Marathi literature and on all that thing. We are just learning a simple conversational Marathi. Okay, so oo, short sound. What we call that pahila ukar or hraswa ukar. Okay, so first pahili velanti means short means hraswa, long means dirgha. Okay, so here we are getting those words pahila ukar or hraswa ukar. This is long u. The symbol will look like this, which is दूसरा ukar or dirgha ukar. दूसरा ukar or dirgha ukar. Okay, yeah, we will quickly go to the next page. Yeah, here it is. This is a short sound. This is just the slanting line on the top, and what we called it matra or ek matra or single matra. There is a single slanting line, so that's why we will call it as a ek matra or matra. Then long sound I, there are double. Okay, so we called it as a don matra. Okay, then o. O is just like kana, but there is a slanting line on the top. Here is it. Okay, so o means ek kana and ek matra. Okay, both of them comes together. Ek kana and ek matra becomes okar. Okay, so kana, hraswa ikar, dirgha ikar, hraswa ukar, dirgha ukar, and then okar. Okar is comes for o, and symbol will look like this. Then au. Oh, there is double matra, means don matra and kana. Okay, and symbol will look like this. So ek kana and don matra. Ek kana ani don matra. And means ani. Okay, so there is another word for that, aukar. Ek kana and don matra becomes aukar. Aukar. Then Okay, Next one is is just a dot on the top of the consonant, which means timber. Dot means timber, so that's why it is timber, or it is also called as anuswar or shirobindu. Timber, anuswar, shirobindu. Okay, yeah. Next one, aha. Aha is the two dots after the consonant. The next one is aha. Aha means two dots after the consonants, which we called as visarga. Okay, aha is visarga. What symbol we use? Visarga symbol we use. What symbol we called? Visarga. Okay, then last one is ru. Ru is just a curve below the consonant, which means rukar. Okay, rukar. Okay, the next, swar plus vyanjan means vowels plus consonants or consonants plus vowels. As I said earlier, consonants don't have their own sounds. There is always a sound, a vowel there to support every consonant. Okay, so how will it look like? It look like this: ko, 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 ko. It don't have their own sound, right? So, but that's why pa is always there, which sounds like ka. The next one, ka plus a becomes ka, and symbol will look like this. Okay, standing line after the consonant. Ka plus e becomes ki. There is a short e. That's why we will write this symbol before consonants. Ka plus e, which is long e. That's why we will write vowel symbol after the consonant. Ka plus u becomes ku, a short u. The symbol will look like this. Ka plus long u is equal to ku. The symbol will look like this. Okay, ka plus a, k, the slanting line on the top. Ka plus I, kai, double slanting line on the top. Ka plus o, ko, one standing line after the consonants and one slanting line on the top. Okay, becomes ko. Ka plus au becomes kau, two slanting lines on the top and a standing line after the consonant. Okay, then ka plus becomes kam. There is a dot on top of the consonant. Ka plus aha becomes kaha. Two dots after the consonants are in the vertical direction, not in the horizontal direction. Two dots in a vertical direction, which means visarga. Ka plus ru becomes kru. Okay, and symbol is curve below the consonant. And last two are a and a. So ka plus a becomes ka, and symbol will look like, yes, correct, the curve on the top. And ka plus a becomes ka, which is curve on the top plus kana. Okay, and symbol will look like, you can see there. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Barakadi. We already have learned Barakadi in last lesson. So this slide is just for remembering purpose, like what we have learned already and how vowel signs are used to form a different consonant sound. Okay, so we will quickly move to our quiz part and a little bit of homework. Okay, here is your homework. Try to memorize vowel signs. Next one is go to lesson number 3 or my video number 3 and read all consonants with their vowel signs. And next one is I have a below quiz for you. So g plus u. U is long u. So t plus e, which is short e, and k plus au. Okay. So what you have to do in this quiz, you simply have to tell me which vowel signs do we have to use for below 3 questions. Okay, and write your answers in below comment section. So we will keep exploring Marathi, right? Till then, thank you.
Hey guys, did you find this lesson helpful? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new Marathi learning video. Drop a comment below and let me know which vowel sign do you want to learn more about. I will see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and dhanyawad.